While packaging is a brand communications tool that gets up close and personal, visual packaging connects consumers directly with your product. Clear plastic packaging offers many significant advantages: a glimpse of what's inside, high marketing appeal, and a value-added perception. And visual packaging has a proven record of enhancing brand performance. In visual packaging, leadership stands out. HLP Klearfold is the world's largest and most accomplished producer. No other company has its scale or experience. A member of the Hippolyte Group of Hong Kong with a world-class production facility in Shenzhen, China, HLP Klearfold is the market leader and innovator. The company continues to invest in the latest technologies, including state-of-the-art 13-color combination printing equipment that delivers high-fidelity print reproduction, exceptional 4-color process printing, and dazzling special effects. Up to 5 stations can be configured for backside printing, and 4 rotary silkscreen and 2 cold foil units can be interchanged with any of the 12 flexo stations, allowing HLP Klearfold to accomplish in a single printing pass what requires 5 or more using traditional methods. HLP Klearfold is also vertically integrated. The company's custom extruders make more demanding box-grade APET, RPET, and polypropylene, producing premium quality substrates that are extremely uniform, crystal clear, and defect-free. Iconic Klearfold plastic folding cartons are the standard by which all others are judged. Ordinary plastic cartons are manufactured using cutting and creasing techniques developed for paperboard, which leave stiff or fragile score lines and sharp edges. HLP Klearfold's proprietary soft crease radio frequency scoring technology produces APET, RPET, and even bioresin cartons with very uniform creases with less folding resistance. Klearfold cartons fold precisely, have clean lines, and maintain their crisp shape, ensuring efficient performance on automated filling equipment. And in hand fill applications, soft creased auto bottom cartons set up quickly and easily. HLP Klearfold also offers 2 more sustainable alternatives to traditional plastic folding cartons. Klearfold plant box cartons are made from bioresin box-grade plastic, up to 30% of which is derived from renewable plant-based sources. And Klearfold RPET cartons are made with 30% post-consumer recycled content. In addition to plastic folding cartons, HLP Klearfold provides rolled-edge plastic tubes and custom thermoforming, as well as patented innovations like the award-winning Insight and Klearfold Keeper packaging systems. Insight combines printed plastic sleeves and injection molded end caps, the shape of which determines the package's cross-sectional profile. End caps can be designed to lock to the sleeves securely or twist off easily. Klearfold Keeper combines a printed plastic sleeve with a locking vacuum-formed insert. Unique and secure, Klearfold Keepers are easy to hand load and have an innovative easy opening feature. Both Insight and the Klearfold Keeper provide a distinctive shelf presence and can be designed in a wide variety of profiles. HLP Klearfold recently launched DuoFold packaging, which combines the best attributes of plastic and paperboard. Using new precision joining equipment, soft creased plastic components can be used to create multiple carton panels or windows that wrap around multiple score lines. The result is endless structural design options and the unique aesthetics achieved from combining 2 wholly distinctive substrates. HLP Klearfold has been serving the North American market for over 15 years. Its highly effective customer service infrastructure strives to provide quotations within 24 hours, CAD samples in 3 to 5 days, and full color comps within a week of receipt of artwork. Near zero material lead time and unmatched production capacity keeps turnaround remarkably short. Standard delivery time to North American customers is 4 to 8 weeks. ISO 9001 registered, HLP Klearfold produces the highest quality printed plastic packaging available. The company has a well-deserved reputation for extremely advanced UV print reproduction, providing exceptional quality offset, silkscreen, and flexo printing. The highest fidelity printed graphics available on plastic folding cartons. Graphic enhancements include hot and cold foil stamping, plus a full spectrum of special effects. When you need to showcase your products and branding in dramatic ways, visual packaging is a revelation. And there's only one visual packaging producer with the experience and global resources to support your efforts at every single stage. Visualize, a company completely focused on clear packaging. Visualize HLP Klearfold.